Alrighty. Holy cow, huh? Well, here we are, back at it. Back at, well, not the lot, but a lot. And we are going to wheelie a lot. This is just basically what I've been doing for the past week, man. I've been, my music is blasting right now. I've just been trying to get into the feel of it, you know. Wheeling is something somewhat new to me, so it's like I can kind of like I'm almost at balance point, but I'm still kind of just chasing them out. I may have been recording when this happened, but maybe this has been there for a while. Oh, I saw the little trees. I saw the black ice. I was like, no, I lost my... No, it's still there. It's still there. Probably since the last video I did, I did the whole clutch setup. So I got like whatever it is, the SMC clutch, the Chimera lift plate, modified pressure plate, Grom Beardo. He makes OEM Honda oil pumps with the extended tube on it, so it reaches the back of the crankcase, or the back of the case, so you can get proper oil circulation throughout the motor. So that's nice. I'm not popping any crazy dank nooners for like fucking, you know, hella long, but I thought it was a nice thing to add as like a preventative thing, in, you know, just for when I sort of get to that level with it. But yeah, apart from that, I've got an aftermarket clutch, clutch lever that's coming in, and then I got to get one of those stunt cage things, 12 bars for the fucking back. Seeing like that's pretty good. Like I'm kind of getting back into balance point there, just ever so slightly, but it just takes that little bit. That's not bad. Tumbleweed! Ah! Ah! Oh, dang trash bag tumbleweed. I mean, right there, dude, it was almost right there. That might have been the best one I've ever done. Like, pretty fucking close to it. There it is. There it is. Mommy whooped up a pussy pot pie, huh? Of course I want to throw a Yoshi on this bad boy, but the old fucking rattle can, it's quiet, bro. It's quiet. You can be stealthy. I mean, that wasn't too bad, dipping back like pretty fucking far, and then that was definitely a slightly past balance point. Definitely had to hit the rear brake on that one. Like that. Like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, play some Doom the Dark Ages, and kill some fucking demons. So peace out, y'all.